are watching Sport Talk with GTZ, General Tata Zonke. Sport Talk, the General's view. GTZ, General Tata Zonke.
Shapuzit, hey, asinibingeleleni vandag. So namuhla ku episode 12 Sport Talk with GTZ. A lot of people have been asking me, would say, okay, siyabona bolikazi uyaya, but on that side yabo Salbinza, Game, Bush, uyanini GTZ. Because in connection I'm nayo, the person nayo, the guest nayo, it's one of umchita lengidlala nayo idiski, but unfortunately mina ngabe sengiyayekela yena wachubeka wadlala still namanje usadlala but utositshela ukuthi uretire yini. If my memory serves me right, ku squad sasembombela sango 2010 la bekune Maputo, kune Swatini, kune Mbombela, kune Nkomazi municipality bezidlala naye. So labangala from Salbinza a game kukhuphuka bayathi ukuthi is one of a goal poacher, umuntu lo shaya sefo, umuntu lengikhule angangambona dlala enye position. I'm not sure if uwadlala as a center back or what, but ngimati adlala as a striker. Ladies and gentlemen, ngivumelene namuhla ku Sport Talk with GTZ, the General's View, episode 12. Smukele Rocket Nyundu. Mnakethu.
Yeah, G.
Ukahle kehle.
Hayi top notch. Ngasiva lesandla nomusibamba ukuthi isotsha liphilekile.
Liyaphila lisotsha.
No, isotsha red.
Lisotsha red.
Anything.
Ukhuleni mfana.
No, but I can't complain mdala yabona. It's just that nje ama ups and downs, but yonke into iyadlula kuyo. Yeah,
I know. Thanks for coming, my brother. I really appreciate. So, just to tell you ukuthi wende lebholeni letinyawo Rocket, ma team la wadlalela sifuna kwathi ngendvo la indile ebholeni. Udlalele Zvutha Stars, wadlalela iPolokwane City, Black Leopards, AmaZulu, Bloemfontein Celtics, TS Sporting, Mbombela United, Venda Academy, Kruger United, waphinda futhi wadlalela national team. So we'll take you from steps to steps uve ukuthi yini la kwendile. Kulawa lengobalile, asiqale ngalo lengobalile. Which one lebese enhlitweni yakho? Kulama teams lawo lengobalile.
I will say Buddy. Black Leopard.
Why?
Kuyiteam lena ngayenda mlando kuyo from amateur level. I won't say ukuthi I spend so much ku Polokwane City due to loan. Yangenda ngabahanga kakhulu ukuthi I wanted to progress more in my career, right? So Black Leopard is the most team le nga-achieve into letiningi kakhulu.
Okay. Ukhulele phi mfowethu?
Long Rocket okanyundo ukhulele Goromane, indzawo yana lencane kakhulu nje, it's unnoticed. Noma ngabe udlula nje ngeke usho ukuthi indzawo lengakhipha umdlali ofana nami. Bebakhona abadlali abanye, but to pursue their dream bengekho lula because bengeke usende umuntu waseJozi uthambe eGoromane oscout ama player because bekuyindzawo lena ngikhula kuyingana mgwaco. Bekunomgwaco longenako lophuma kokuphela. So lendzawo lezi incane kakhulu, indzawo yaseGoromane ngikhule kuyo.
Ngikuphi eGoromane?
eGoromane uma useze view.
Okay.
When you drive along to Mkhuhlu, before you even reach Mkhuhlu, on your left, it's opposite Shabalala.
Oh.
There's a small village le khona lapha.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it is uqale lapho scale and everything.
Scale. Vodacom wise ngisuwela lapha ngibambe ethu ema back ema morning study, then afternoon I will tell the principal ukuthi mina I'm going to practice a ball.
Okay.
Yeah.
So lento vele ukhula beyila kunja.
Lento lena ngikhula bobhuti wami bayidlala.
Okay.
Ekukhuleni kwami bengilomuntu ukuthi uma bobhuti wami bahamba bengibakhalela ukuthi baye groundini. And lapha bekungimi lo ngipholisha lamakhokho emaJomosolo.
Yes.
Yeah, understand lamakhokho la khona manje beyangekho back in the days. So bengihleli la emva kwabo. So lento le yaba isenhlitiyeni yabalithando lelikhulu kakhulu bengeke umhlukanise nebhola even though ubaba bengeke understand lento leyo time wambe akutshela kahle ukuthi makubona eground ukutshela utendo itself hlathini sothotha tinkuni or ibhayisikili yakhe iphukile
ufuna kulungisa ubhayisikili
yeah not lento ebhola le yeah into ebhola nje bengidla mara mangibuke la bengishaya kakhulu kutendo amanda ukhanga lana njani manje wambuka ingcola ngala ufuna kubuya utogeza njani.
You are one of umuntu lengicabanga ukuthi asemcelebrate enough. The reason why ngu invite you ku Sport Talk, you have a rich history in football and you are still playing football, and not so long ago besikubukela ku TV kudlala ama playoffs eKruger and you are still active. Ngithathe Nyundu nebabukeli bami be podcast ungibeke your first senior contract uthi tebe ku Black Leopard.
No, bekuyipulukwane 6.
Pulukwane 6.
Yeah.
Akusile season la nihambisa ngibhenisile Mhlongo na master.
Indeed nguyo and it's true.
Kwendekani na ngitshela because kwaba ne story I think man interview ku radio that you guys you were registered under Pulukwane City but you were getting 2,500.
Yabona njengoba unami lana kule show kubaleke kakhulu than kuva abantu bathi
yes
you understand lento lana there was a tournament yeSelati Cup. It's a huge tournament in Komanzi, right? So ingozi umlambo he invited uBensini Mhlongo to say hey man there's this boy ukhona lana man he's got a potential of playing PSL. Then luckily so we were playing, I think it was a final if I'm not mistaken. Into le bengiyenda I didn't know ukuthi there were scouts or there were people outside that are watching the game, you understand? So and an open scene I was seeing from distance, not to say one thing zohlala naye so ngimboza
yes.
and Pirates.
Yes.
So luckily so after game ingozi umlambo wangintroduce kuye and then wathi kimi I'm impressed kwasho uBensini Mhlongo. Uma kasho njalo yabona lokuthi ushaye ngelivalo ukuthi he says impressed on what because this guy I know him as a player.
Yes.
Find out ukuthi uguy is got a new contract ku Pulukwane City.
Okay.
So luckily so he contacted uJohnny Mkhalala from Pulukwane City. What I've got another soldier. He's got the potential of helping the team. Luckily so they handed him a contract actually. It was a blank contract. Lucky there was Uchomo Nyambi, what Bensini Mhlongo because they know each other from back in the days, right? What there's another guy. Bekasho umaster,
sure.
Right?
By then must usadlala kuMbombela.
Bekadlala kuMbombela mara naye bekadlala kuleSelati. I don't know the team yalapha eDriekopi sengayikhohlwa ligama.
Yes.
Lapho naye wathi nonga lo mfana lo bengutshela ukuthi umbuke naye. Kwaba saba nenhlanhla okay, right? Bensini drove that same day. Wayekhaya straight.
Okay.
Baqala bambe basaphila, wahlala nabo phansi. Wathi sanibonani, wathi introduce ngimhlongo ngibuyijozi ngibona umfana. Ninesingwa lesinto banaso la ekhaya through his legs. Batala bathi thina squad lokho just like I mentioned ukuthi but most special time wami beka understand bathi ngeke nje ke ngifuna ukumbulala umntwana baba ne interest wabatshela ukuthi okay on this thing ngofika ngimthathe ngihamba naye ePolokwane. Waqala wathatha master enkomanzi.
Yes.
Bangithathe Hazyview bavalelisa ekhaya sihamba saye ePolokwane. Along the way I was happy ukuthi mina ngiyodlala iPSL.
Yes.
Indaba ema contract ngithi how much am gonna earn benganandzaba naloko because mina vele the dream was to reach iPSL level, right? So into leyendeka ukuthi along the way we drove reach Polokwane. And then we train friendly games, it was okay, baba happy. Yabo? So kwendeka ukuthi it was towards month end. The only thing I just initiate all the pages from the contract and then the signatures.
So kule paper labakunika kona sabakutshelile ukuthi contract la.
Contract.
So you need to put your initials
exactly
each and every page. So la kubhale khona imali
no.
akuna
futhi angizange afika, there was no figures le khona lapha.
Okay.
I understand.
You-
Njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina I was happy ukuthi ngiyodlala i-PSL.
Sure.
Ukuthi kwendakalana I'm gonna earn 1.5 whatever. Benganandzaba nalo ukuthi mina I have reached where I wanted to be.
Yes.
And then okay inyanga mayiphela ke. And then ngathola it was 4.8
Okay.
PSL. Already besenkorile against AmaZulu. 2 goals. My debut from
Professional level.
Professional level.
2 goals against AmaZulu.
We played 2-2. Peter Old Mukab.
Yeah.
Then after that, inyanga ya Chatu. Okay. Won a 4.8. Yeah, I was interested. I was not enough interested to play mal.
Yeah.
Muta Pensing, it was bad because we were calling like each other Sbali.
Yeah, very.
Sbali, Tolima so yeah, and a cosmetic or what? Okay, I will ask the office because very basic is a tangent tag.
Yes.
Always right? What's it Pensing? No. Mkholo. What yo? Village, the only thing was food. Transport they will provide.
Yes.
And everything. That's no, it's fine. Then time goes by, my time as well. 4.8 serious. What's here? When I checked my contract, I didn't have a copy.
Okay.
And then I tell you copy. And Sakumbulu Banong advised, no, get your copy. When I get a copy, the contract had figures. It was written 5,000. That was my salary.
So it's 5,000, but when back home 4.8.
No. It's after deduction, right?
After deduction.
Yeah, if 5,000, it's a gross.
Oh, okay.
But after deduction, it's 4.8.
Okay.
Yeah. So you will spend so much. After Pension is one of the best. I won't forget. Even if I can be successful from now, I can still recall Pension to.
No, he's a true legend. I can attest with
Big time. Because the only thing, you will wake me up around 5 or 4:30. I think let's take a morning joke. One day you will represent the count. And masang talang notice a thing. It's bad marana. It's bad 4.8. Yeah, maybe it's earning 100 and something.
Yes.
Very best colors and no smash busexin. That's one of you will represent the count. Not mean okay, it's fine. And then you gym on my own, very from the Singatin.
Yes,
You understand? Being a hard worker, Singatin. So what happened was we'll joke. Then we play Sundowns, New Peter Mukaba, got an injury. It was a long-term injury because it was a muscle pull. Then after that, it's whereby Costa in Papik, I figure Pulukwane seats.
Who was the coach? The time uksadlala wena mawufike kubani?
So one coach Bobby Solomon.
How was the relationship?
No. Bona mina I don't know whether ngingade ukuthandwa noma njani.
Yeah.
Wangipha leyo chance, wangipha leyo kusho ukuthi ngikhona ukuvela la ngifuna kufika khona. You understand? He was a good guidance. Ubaba right towards mina. Angase ngabona lokubi. And until ngithole injury ngilithi ngidacala ukuchinja khona.
Le injury uyithola ndlala Mamelodi Sundowns.
Ngashayela ubaba lo bantu Arenza lo mudze umkhumbulo lo center back.
Lo dlala emkhulu ya.
Wangithekela ngashaka kabuhlungu lapha, and then from lapho and uPapik bekagijimisana. So when I
training yakhe.
Yeah, when I try to force to ukuthi let me try, lo msipha ngova ukuthi no man, I cannot make it, yabo. So ngahlala skasi the seats. And then interest nyana because I was from amateur. Being a seko kahle, you understand?
Yeah.
So that's why I pursue a loan deal.
Uyaphi then?
Black Leopard.
So in that period, lento ye contract vele uhleli isikhathi lesikhathi losihleli kuPhulukwane City. Vele you were earning 4.8. Abazange babize bayilungisa.
Never.
And then you requested the loan.
Yeah.
Or Papiko.
No.
Ubando lo ofuna loan.
Actually, let me put it this way. Uma uPapik afika, bese bamxoshile coach uBobby Solomon.
Okay.
uPapik uma kafika first day wadlalisa ama 11 aside, right? And I was an anchor, by the way.
Go seat.
Yeah, go seat.
Okay.
I was an anchor.
All right.
And I taking midfield up as an anchor. So uPapik uma kafika while we were playing 11, wangibitele esayidini. He will sit on the grass stand and watch the 90 minutes,
Yes.
11 aside, just to change players' position. and all this.
Yes.
So what happened was he called me aside and said, "No, Esau Kanyenda.
Yeah, it's Kanyenda.
He's from Malawi.
Yeah.
The strike.
Yeah.
He said, go and change a position with him. The peep. I became a striker. Center bengidlala noJabu Maluleka, Jabu Maluleka.
Yes.
Umavocha.
Umavocha.
From lapho ngathiwa so strike. In the same team nabo Jabu, but now you're a strike. Uma ngifika lapho phambili angidlalanga even 5 minutes. I scored 2 goals.
Shinet.
Wangibita public. You know what he said to me?
Yeah.
He said, from today, you are my big striker. I don't want to see you playing in the middle. Yeah.
You are an animal.
You are the animal of this team. That's where my first game, that's where my first game I scored 2 against Amazulu. Then I got an injury to Sundowns because of the way we were running. Fitness, it's a killer.
That's
too much. An hour, mara at the end of the day, you will benefit from your fitness. That's why even today, when I lecture, I said fitness is the key in life of an athlete. But who cannot play football. As long as you're fit, you can demand any pass, any run that you want to go, you will get it.
So, loan to play Cleopard?
Loan to play Cleopard.
Mafia play Cleopard to Tola Boba, my player.
Jangase. Abo Pibo Mabocha.
Yeah.
Abo Max Munyai.
So striker pa.
Pangula I'm strike.
Yeah.
Tidela wangbone Jimin. Angithi lapha eLadan in Polokwane.
Okay.
There are 2 grounds. There's a rugby ground and then there's a soccer field, right?
Yeah.
So we're training opposite.
Okay.
So Tidela will like Magas Jima ngale Polokwane sithabula. Who's this guy? Marcel wise. Can Tidela, I mean uBenson Mhlongo was close to Tidela, right? Because uBenson is a true legend ukuthi noma bani he loves him. Yiwuye futhi wa-initiator indaba yeloni.
Ukuthi avayo ngale ntwana.
Hamba lapha, you come back strong foot. So all the things that he has said to me, uBenson, I still thank him even today. Wherever he is, I still thank him because last year, remember I told you what one of you will represent the country,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Indeed happened. What he gave me that go that side, you will come back strong. Mangfika lapha, I've seen faces. You had no to me. Maybe there's a picnic.
Yes.
What. Players, are cool. Then I'll say, let me give my best. First game against Cosmos, Black Leopard, Toyando, fully packed.
In NFT,
yeah. Fully packed. Fully packed. First touch, first pass, boom, can't you shut up, I will. Masapota. First touch, I'm actually throwing the shalapa. I wouldn't say we nerves lapan. Yeah, maybe it was a sign that you've brought a soldier that's going to help the team, who's going to bring a history in this team. First touch, I didn't demand the ball after that. On the other side, I was going to the ball. On the other side, I was going to the ball. Luckily so. I think it was 5 minutes to go.
Yeah.
Game open. Net 1-0. The same people that they were pulling, they wanted photos. Yeah, what you give any passes was difficult. So that's for me. What you get passing?
How on?
The same player, Levan Puil.
John.
The same player, Levan Puil.
Who coach about who play Cleopard by then?
Uzeka Makas.
Uzeka Makas.
Uzeka Makas. Upanch.
Keep on punch. Man celebrate.
Yeah, shy pants.
Shy pants.
You know, look, I and Coach Uzeka. We still talk even today.
Oh, that's good.
Even I know Makulman event, you will want me to be his witness.
Yes.
what did I tell you when I was still coaching Black Leopard? Okay, will give his time to me. Wasn't that okay, well, man, let's do the finishing before the training. Because cut is the key to me. Okay, 2 o'clock I need to be here. Definitely 1:30 I'll be here.
Okay.
So Uzeka, he was the same father to me. Lo anginiketele your courage. You know what? Ipolisha so. I mean, you hit it with power. So find out power sometimes doesn't help. You need a precision where to direct the ball. So Uzeka, he helped me on this thing. From first day I played my first game at the Black Leopard, I never looked back. I was keep on scoring each and every day 201 or 3 goals.
Because now you igama lakho ulakhila, honestly speaking, especially abantu baseVenda. When you're talking about Nyundu, they know the big animal who was always on a score sheet, week in, week out, the guy scoring, and I think you enjoyed yourself there.
Big time, Dara. To be honest, I've enjoyed a lot in each and every move. Lebe Kone Venda, you will feel welcome because whenever we go to training, because it's in Beklale Polokwane.
Yes.
But Umasiyo host, I mean,
hostel event.
So we're traveling like Thursday or Friday. But Tumabaya to pass the Black Leopard, they are coming for training. Then after training camp, his stadium will be packed. They want to see.
They support them. Yeah. They support them.
Kakulu. They Kakulu even today. Even today. But during our time, I think the support was very huge. Mama Tidera, she was still alive. Now the support that gave us, it was marvelous. Understand? So Leo environment that I was in. It gave me the full confidence. As a player, if you've been sidelined, I don't see as a player rising to an occasion which, you know what, okay, you can do this. No matter how capable you are, if they don't give you a confidence, you're not going to reach anywhere.
They must just show you love and everything.
And I mean, the love that I got was from Mama Gatide, Umfazi Gatide. Then from Mama Gatide towards Abafana Bakabo Chifu, you can tell, you know what, I'm welcomed the Black Leopard.
And then the long spell, Yapela, then you have to go back to Polokwane City, man.
I think Igwaban is Vumelana in between Black Leopard and
the Polokwane City.
Yeah, because Inulea and there.
Go to Salushala forever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alone, it's finished, and then Sisik so wait.
Yes.
And then Uba about it, he improved my contract.
Oh, that's good.
From 5,000, I think I was earning 15.
Wow.
No. Now second Kanye.
So the focus now, say you Black Leopard.
I was not even saying I left PSL. Now I'm down to NFT. Being echo.
But I feel it.
No.
Because the club event is huge.
Young in the corner. I mean, the corner event. I would say all the teams, even including PSL teams, maybe Black Leopard due to support. It was number 4 because there was Chiefs Pirates, Celtic, Black Leopard. Support Liase Toyando.
Yes.
Because all the people from Toyando, they will come and say, no, Black Leopard. Because there was a vibe, there was a joy level, even players. You can tell. No matter you like Karachi, go to the before say a hotel. We see the garage, then we go to hotel. We go to hotel, we come back in the morning, premiership the garage, then from Lapi Crown the street. And in the level corner, there was love amongst players. No, we're not going about the
yes.
But I will say, okay, understand? Because in Yaduti, you were not insulting me.
Then, Amazulu idlala kuphi? Idlala ku PSL.
NFT.
Ifika njani le deal yaMaZulu?
Actually, here's a story. Good Black Leopard, when I was keep scoring goals, there were a lot of offers
from
other teams.
Yes, okay.
One was Vets.
Okay. Under Coach Kevin Hunt.
Kevin Hunt.
Oh.
Ivethi yafika. Actually, now I wanted to do my scam, right? But knowing exactly that I'm still on a contract like Black Leopard.
Yes.
So I cannot reveal some of the things because sasa labanye abantu bathuthi hey
basatenda
samthemba lona cishe wasidlisa ngeplayer league yabo.
Yeah.
There's this guy manager from Nigeria, Okwara. He was a team manager at Black Leopard. So I tell him when they did the vets, I said that these people, they have calling non-stop. I want to go to vets. I want to change my life at home. My background is very poor. I want to change all the things.
Yeah.
It happened with manje. Ngihambe ngitela eMbombela. They were having a pre-season tournament. I think it was Tax Platinum Stars, Vets and Aces.
Okay.
I even missed the penalty.
La
eMbombela Stadium.
So uhambe ngebutsotsi.
Ngihambe ngebusuku.
Umuntu lo ekhaya.
Ngimuntu lo ekhaya.
Knowing ukuthi
Ngiya eMbombela.
okay.
Mangifika lana weJohn Wani, was it Ferreira, a team manager, Vets umlungu. Wangibuta straight as not. I still contracted at Black Leopard. Ngathi mina yes, but it's not a big deal. Knowing exactly ukuthi ngikhulume nobani no Okwara team manager ukuthi he must steal the contract. I'll give him something for my signing.
Still the contract from Black Leopard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Steal it, we chonja.
Okay.
Ukuthi uma bangifuna bathi the guy is still contracted like bangitholi.
Bangawathola amaphepha.
Contract. Understand?
Yeah.
Because I promised the guy, but no what man, I'll give you something from my signing on fee. Because the care, okay, Kevin Hunt was happy impressed. It was Saturday. Then later, we were booked up a Riverside in there.
Stay easy.
Stay easy.
Yes.
Booked room lapa. Got to the following day, Sunday. Ambo bachele kaya kuti we are coming with you at Joburg. Already Joburg sebalungisile. Flight tickets ready like Kruger to choose.
Yes, yes.
Ngahamba ngafika ekhaya wabatshela nti magogo phela mina sekuyendeka 1 2 3 abayi understand njalo no contract.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Ngizame ukufaka labaya abangayi understand kahle. Yabo. And then from lapho jet out on Monday Joburg. Bangilanze airport ngifake ehotel la ngihlala khona. From lapho they will come pick me up concern ngise gym impressed everything. Last day, we new register. The following week, we're supposed to play Ajax. First game of PSL. Go Vets. And then when they went to PSL offices to register.
We have an existing.
No, but told TDL myself. I get to TDL is a party of the committee.
Yes.
I'm told
uthidela sekasitholile story ukuthi ukuvet
so sitholile
so kumele nethi ivet ukuthi ibuye
itokhuluma naye izabe package
yeah
ama bafika lapha na awu bayadana right na kuJune
obvious
what brings you here no me I work here with okay yeah I'm coming to register my player. Who's your player? The big guy Rocket New
my player
no you can't do that. He's my player.
Yeah.
That's TDL. He's my player. Never. Esays umlungu aphelelwa amandla aphumele ngaphandle donsi phone. And maka donsi phone I knew exactly ukuthi ngenzeka ukuthi
le deal seyimoshakele.
Deal seyimoshakele.
Yeah.
The phone man said ndoda.
Tell me the truth.
Kwenzakalani kahle? Ngibachela iqiniso. Kevin Hunt ezekile ngathi ndoda. How can we do this? I don't please I want to stay with you. Coach, I really begged him. I'd say, okay. No. You know how it goes. You know the procedure. Talk to me, I will give you the player. It's TDL. I'd say to TDL at 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Last year,
TDL ufuna 10 minutes.
10 million.
Jesus.
Athi check the contract. I still has 1 year.
Usale season
ukuthi phela.
iphela.
le ndoda yangishaya kakhulu. Uthini ugave into not.
There's nothing we can do.
There's nothing we can do. Go back to your mother's team, let the season finish, then we're gonna take you back. And I'm really impressed with everything that's shown for you. I think you're not managing a fly, poor boy.
Yeah, ne?
Understand? Don't feel Jimmy because it's me.
Akusasuye.
No. Being aggressive, don't with anger.
Oh.
Because you know what? Like what is it about? You know what? Okay. That situation nje ngophula laphana ngilungise laphana ubhayana kweveni ukuthi kube khona ekhaya just to change all the situation. Angeke sayendeka lena. So Jimmy umuntu makafaka nyawo mina bengiya kakhulu. Bengasancingi understand ngifuna bangirelease. Abantu batlala lapha kuthide. No matter what he does, don't let him go. Eksene umdala lo umdala. Yazi ngongibita. Efam.
Yeah.
Kuye. Walenza drive onlands.
Yeah.
Hlala nami so 109. Ngeke ukhulume nathi lo mbukeso, utokhuluma ubukeso. Yena utokutshela look at me. Tell me the truth. You want to leave my team? You don't look happy.
After everything I've done for you.
Now you're shining, you think you're better. Say I'm just, I want.
Yeah.
No, Father, I want to stay. So why do you want to run away from me? Chairman, man, to change the situation.
Yeah.
How much are you offering you? That's 45. You want me to give you 45 now? Remember, yes, as change the contract for me. I will improve the contract.
So improve from
what I was getting to Polokwane.
Yes.
Yeah, you can have water. Uphuza amanzi wami futhi. Uphuza amanzi wami. All right, I'm not a man, we're grand. Let's go back to training. I want you to see you weekend scoring 2 goals for me.
Ne.
If it's not like that, your career will finish. Evan.
Hey.
Muslim zingi.
Yeah, lo uthini lo muntu manje?
Joe, ngedlale weekend no goal. Shone luma time. Jardine.
Lishona.
After 2 games, bengasakora Shone time.
Oh, okay.
Actually, the shy man. Say, Daddy, Baba kaseke ekhaya. I'm sorry, my boy. I'm sorry. What is it that we can help you with? And I think financial because we're not good at home. Okay, no problem. I got paid in the 5 minutes. 20,000. 20,000. Home. Go home, my boy. Come back strong. I know you're a soldier. He's in Shanghai.
Yeah.
You're a soldier. Boy, go in Spanish, shy Spanish glue.
Yeah.
Shema said Lamashia Gumchi. Wangbuya, we're playing African Warriors. What? I netted 2. This is the new that I know. Oh, from after the 2, Zanga pins on a core.
So AmaZulu abelesela ayakufuna.
Yeah, back then.
Akufuna nawe the time sobona ukuthi.
Yeah, between vets and then Black Leopard and AmaZulu.
Yeah.
AmaZulu were interested.
Yes.
Because they were looking to get promoted from NFT to PSL. Okay, from Lapo, it happened with manje. AmaZulu, they make phone calls to my agent, Mandla Mthembu. Uthi dela bangibide the office. Give him his clearance. He's useless to me. He's useless.
Let him go.
Ngabanika traveling kit, training kit.
Yeah. Let him go.
Ngihamba ngendlini ngisuka endlini. AmaZulu bangicashela iKTC car Avis.
Yeah.
Ngabatshela sekusane impahla tami ePolokwane
Yes.
to take them back home. Shayela isidadla seVW lapha hamba ngayikhaya ngashiya tina tami driver lami imoto yakhona ngashiya airport eJozi. Senge-Durban.
So eDurban.
Fike Durban in flight Durban. Bangwelkhama kuba grand ngithi mabhuti khanyezi. Nomvethe. Yathi dawubuya la. Abantu ngikhula ngibukela bona phela.
And strike.
I'm going to share the same position now. Kulabo Karuru. It's coming from Chiefs, mina ngibuya lehlathini evenda.
Yeah, ukarulu uyamkhumbula lo baba ku Chiefs. Yes.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
No, I will see. Ngidlala. Unomvethe will stay like 3 days at gym. Thursday at gym, Friday camp, Saturday start. Angeke umkhiphe. Ubuye uthi usqueeze kanjani wena ukuthi ungene. Uhlala usethimini, mara ukuthi ungena, uhlala usethimini. AmaZulu kunema bonus. Kunema leading goal scorer kuma maZulu. Under uSoken.
So why you know vetanga gym?
Ngathi I talk about I'm getting old. So mina nginamalanga mo gym.
Okay.
So there was this guy who anti-pass from Zim. Bekagijimsana naye. Right, mara nje bayokushanga strategy. Kuna local keeper benginayo bantu beyavimba ku Vets man odak nyalo omkhulu so. Remember the guy man. We Vets.
Okay, yeah. Samkhumbula.
Mina lapha ngitshela Nyondu, just work hard. You wanna get your chance. Chance yakho ngayithola Zilane I scored 2. Ikuphi lapha eMaritzburg I scored 2. Wathi uManto Cheledi we
Aros. Yes.
Athe uditholele. I don't know ukuthi ilo yami wayithola kuphi content. Uditholele. And by then mathi uditholele I was like, maybe kuna scout angibhekile. Maybe I will find myself ngilapha eMazembeni ku Aros.
Yes.
Ngathi sahamba. Bengasakorinyana, ngabuye ngashaya. Season was towards to finish. So we're fighting for position 1 for EI Sports Summer Playoff. So I started drawing in Cape Town in FC Cape Town. Yaphela njalo lento. And the contract beyithi if we get a promotion,
yes,
this is so much you're gonna get. You understand? Life yalapha kuMaZulu it was ncane. Training facility
right.
Everything at the team PSN.
I remember that season amabhuri khanyezana nomvethe. They really worked hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yonke lento le. Then from lapho ukuthi bengakwadi. There were still scouts that are after me, which was Duncan Lecheese.
Usebenzela yini la Lecheese apha?
Bloemfontein Celtic.
Bloemfontein Celtic.
He drove all the way from Blom to Durban. Ngathi selling ngenyanga le1 which is Valley League. And I didn't know ukuthi they wanted to renew my contract from AmaZulu.
Oh, beyiphela on that season.
Yeah, beyiphela.
Oh, okay.
So Duncan wangithola lapha ngase South Coast eDurban. Angisign contract.
Uyakusayinisa.
Bangisayinisa. Ayinama figures.
AmaZulu abakakubit office for talks.
No.
So they very future yacaca ukuthi.
Yeah. I understand.
And uDuncan Lecheese ukusayinisa egarage contract.
Not the garage. La bengihlala khona ngase eGagasini.
Oh, okay.
Gagasi Lodge bengihlala somewhere kuni apartment na. So he drove watshela uVeli ubani umfana uJovis bemcibisa. Wathi fena ngandla naye kusivutha. Wamnika ama directions lo muntu uhlala la. Ngofika lapha iBMW ingaka lapha. Ufika la ngahlala kuBMW. Neta you hungry ngathi hayi ngiceda ukudla ngiright. Bathi angeke samsayela eGagasini mafika bawasasahla. Ndoda. Naye uMax thina la. Sikufuna eBlom. PSL. Siwelele
samasokola. Siwelele.
Inyanga yaphela, contract yaphela. Uthe mayiphela lento leya. Ngihamba ekhaya, mangisuka ekhaya. Achuma my flight. Blom.
So now you are used with this full capacity. Yes, a Black Leopards, full capacity as well. So now so a PSL.
Yeah.
The new that you know so yavuka manje.
Vuswa ngale 12 men which is supporters, right?
Yes, well.
Yeah. So makhala lento le lapha siwele you know kuvuka le ndasevenda ukuthi
Yeah.
evenda kunalesi so you will go crazy man ungathi ukuthi eish bangimakhe njani
uthola ama-player laba ngibobani lapha kuswelela
kuswelela ngithola Alfred Ndengane
yes
goalkeeper Patrick Dinyem
yes
abo Sipho Njembula ngithola Tlomulekwana the one who plays for Chiefs right back
yeah
lebe yidla ngezembe
yeah
and then thola kulanjani ephalayo Lucky Baloyi Musa Nyathama Bozuma.
Who was your best friend?
Actually, I wouldn't say I had a friend, man. I had teammates.
In your entire career, like Mofia teaming, you don't have a best friend. You have a teammate.
The only friend that I had was Uchanga.
Who play parts.
The reason why, Uma Singabaspumin will talk football.
Okay.
The reason why we're talking football, just to get the connections and that without you, man, I'm not gonna score. Uma ngithi ngibona ngithi uyazi ngetechnique iphase lapha ngina kanjani ngiyakhela yadi umlilo khona. You understand? Not to say a friend ukuthi I will drove naye ngisuke ekhaya
Yes.
No, I never had a friend.
Okay.
I had a colleagues and a teammates la ukuthi I need help, they need help from me.
Ubani coach Mofia ku play parts? Sorry ku Bloemfontein.
It was Umlungu.
He ucoach obelungu ndoda. La uhamba khona uyabona nje ukuthi
Vaseline.
Yeah, I remember that. Remember that name. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, ngifika kunaye.
Chess number
45.
ayimfana.
Le number vele ngisona from le. That's why ngithi makhala lesigubhu evenda. Singethola na le number ngalana. Ayish lento yami.
Uyayicela le number or bafike bakuprobe?
Bakubuda.
Wathi ngicela
Team manager 45.
45.
We submit the office or no, you do 45.
Yes.
Traveling back
45. Everything is written 45.
45.
What's up with 45?
Actually 45 ngayithanza ngibona le ndoda lemnyama le uMario Balotelli.
Oh, okay.
The aggression, the hunger level yana grounding. I didn't know his lifestyle off the field.
Yeah.
But mina benguthanza lokho bengubona grounding.
Yes.
He was bullying ama defenders. Yabo? So kuloko kwangenda ngamthanza because nami back in the days bengugundanyana imahoko. Yabo ngaze yami nalempandlanyana yami le fresh le. So bengigunda imahoko. Vele I wanted to be la kuma footstep yalomjita lapha ukuthi kusema Mari. So that's where I fell in love ngale number le yalikhona.
Iyakhala ingoma kuswelele. Nyundu ushaya amagoli. Nyundu is having the best of season yakhe kuswelele. You were happy there.
First game against Arrows.
Yes.
Net. Devon. Traveling from Devon ngebus going back to Plum. You know, mina bengalali kahle ebhasini. Visualize ukuthi what did I do wrong? Where should I improve? Lapha le chance there ngoba ngende so maybe ngoba ngekho. Going back to Plum ngalana injabulo. Swelele ngimuhle. Buyele Plum thatha imoto yami ngendlini. Following day we're not training. Ngene ngithi joke. Shanyana with my 5K ngibuye relax and geze ngibe right ngigawula as gym. I was preparing myself for the next day training. I understand because na lomlungu ya gym sana but it was not that hectic. Kudlula abo coach laba
yabo Papik.
Yeah, like Papik abo Steve
Compel.
Yeah. So injabulo bekhona kuswelele vibe everything it was there. The shiny team building ukuthi will find all the players who Celtic sise apartment in le one. Because lapha bekunama apartment. La bengihlala khona was opposite no Ndumiso Mabhena mina. That's why namanje sibitana ngabo Maki namaki. Opposite, right? So kunale yabo Patrick Dinyem nabo Lucky Baloyi nabo Mabasa. aboneo mayelo bantu mfana no bebahlala kule yabo. So we'll like, okay gents, after training we're not training tomorrow, we've got 2 days off. Let's have something, okay, we'll pop up something beverage wise. Sehamba sohlala kuphi apartment ethile kuba mnanzi.
Yes, you talk about football,
everything injabulo, how where can we improve, siphinde sile amongst each other. So ixoxe ejimini sesahleka, but we are pushing about leti njalo. So le vibe le, it was one of the best my I experience.
National team call up
bese sidlule kakhulu lapho national.
Uyithole kiphi team?
From Black Leopard
Under Shakes. Unabo bani national team soda? Because when I was busy preparing the interview, honestly speaking, I knew about Black Leopards, Amazulu, Bloemfontein and Celtics, but I never thought like you played for national team. I was surprised when I was preparing and said, "Oh, this is new. Do you played for national team?" We have been to Shakes.
I'm totally call up from Jimin. I mean, a message from Jimin.
So now you understand why TDL because so. Because your first call up with Tole under TDL.
That's how there's a lot of things in the game.
Yeah.
Improving contract net
yes.
Imali yokuhamba ngekhaya ngingcwaba.
Ngingcwaba itime micromoney ngigayile.
National call up ngithola ngilapha.
Uthola bobani mawufika national call up? Mawufika ku national team. The players.
Abo Bradley Grobler, Thabo September, Ondulula, Oban Klabika. I can name them, but if you has the memory.
Yeah.
Ubalo mfana lo beyavimbela iPirates umlungu Sandile bo win Sandile.
Bo wenseleni. Ngibuka lesa sithombe lesa.
Exactly. Ubalo mfana se Durban no Gumento uvimba lapha ku Arrows. Yeah, Gumento. Lo mkhulu ya no. Thola lo mfana bedlala kuZwane, lo wedlala eRedback ku Sundowns.
Yes, lo shaya right back.
Yeah,
lo wentshwebe.
Ngahamba kakhulu.
Yeah.
Nje welcome yami lapha kuthi.
Udlala how many games?
Kuphi?
Ku national team.
I only play one because we're playing Angola home.
And ngibone ngathi bo starting.
Ngai starta lapha. I know I was like futhi kahle I was not surprised because from your current performance,
yes,
there's no way ungahlala ngaphandle. Right?
Yes.
Ngabe abantu phela ngaphandle. Inhleli uBradley. Umlungu lo akora kakhulu.
Sihlala kancothala nawe.
Bambeka lapha, ngena nondulula phezulu. Athi tata, uma ngithi sala lana. I don't have an experience at PSL. These guys they are playing PSL.
Yes.
Ngidla ngizobakhomba. Got a free kick. Maybe after center line I took it. Yabo le confidence benginayo.
Yeah.
Ishale into yadlula nyana kancane phezulu kwamapana. National team. Umama bani lo mama we, umama Joel lapha eleni. Mbona athi. Ithema ithi yabona to say I was competing with the best. Ithema yelapha kubuma 67 to 70. Ngabona ibhodi ngidonsa ngigcoke jersey 12 yangidonsa. Athe wena did I last so long ku national team? Yabona. Kunabantu abangayitouch le jersey le. Le jersey le ingozi kakhulu. Uma unigcoke le ungayathi.
So boy, because your career in football is rich, I just want to fast forward. Kruger United, amateur level, Uyabuya, Usita Kruger, good at season. Because I was there, I was watching that league. For me, it was Ehlanzeni, Destiny, and Kruger was nowhere to be found. No. Kruger was there, number 6, number 7.
Exactly.
And then you took that team, Nayagma playoffs. Na Fegma playoffs, na promoter their team there.
Yeah.
And I want you gule platform le mnagethu ukuthi ube free. It's not like ukuthi uyati clean igama lakho, but the stories bantu labanga sati lesendeka between wena nebaphathi beKruger, because iKruger mayivula ithi yaqala iNFT ku social media. There were people like Nyundu ngeke lahle Nyundu usitile, Nyundu was a driver, Nyundu has been scoring goal, was a captain, beka motivate abafana, but nyalo sendahle Nyundu until a certain story lesavela ukuthi walwa wakhiphela coach umuko. Is that true?
No, before ngiphendula le yokuthi ngalwa na coach, it was a wrong accusation, right? Because lapha thina besino Mr. Sibuyi, uBaldwin is a cop.
Yeah, the assistant coach, yes.
Right? I don't think he will allow something ukuthi yendeke eteamini, ukuthi ngikhiphele umuntu umukhwa akhona under his watch, right? So, okay. So basically, I think ngicale. So this thing we started to Canimo United.
Yes.
Under Basel. The chairman was Basel. From position 14, I took it to position 1.
Yes.
We went to Middelburg. Was showing a goal different.
Kuma playoffs.
Yeah, with Kassel.
The Kassel.
What to Basel? I'm done with football. I spent so much, man. There was another guy who Wagandlovu, meaning killing, right? One was a magumlet, no man, let's get a status. Luckily so, wathola status is a patient. Caroline.
Yes, yeah, Caroline. That's a Caroline.
One phone Lopez, what's a kokwan. It's a go for the Agondi say na team. Team jar, because when I recently were telling me you don't want anything, you transfer the okay, luckily so I just purchased a status as a Vodacom. That's okay, happy. Now I need to focus more because I was working like a workshop at Kings Bank. So I had to go home straight, man. But the salary that I was getting from Wood Bank. So we manage, we assemble a team, we had a good team. Bam! Vodacom. Win, lose, draw. And then towards the end of the season, we managed to fight until position 1.
Yes.
But the last game, I with Bank. We're supposed to play the team as Gamklang. They didn't pitch up. That's where we're crowned as
Jembok.
Yeah.
Jembok, yeah.
That's where we're crowned as a champion, right? So after that, we're in camp, like Mr. Tovel, Plazinlak. We're preparing a playoff. We stayed up almost a month, 3 weeks or a month, so doing our things, fitness, good. We traveled to Uppington. And mind you, from ama games bengidlala wona go Crook, there was a time where it seems difficult to get a goal. But I will raise my hand and say, you know what, as a captain and the leader of this team, I will make sure the team doesn't go away with one point. I will make sure we get the maximum 3. So I'll go Canet 1-0. Abu Bezel, hey boy, Wansagisa man, he was Nayo Bezel, he was one of the guys we fell in love for each other. I understand this. They can support that cool. Okay, I will score 2-3. Nhlanzeni will go score 3 from nowhere. Just using my experience, I will go score 3. Away, I will go score 2-1. And come back. Now we're calculating. Okay, I play 15 games. Yeah, I will say 15 games straight. I'm starting. I scored like I think it was 21 goals, right? And then the reason behind of that to give my best each and every game, I wanted to see our province having a team NFT like I. Since we didn't have any.
Yeah.
So I wanted to change all the situation and say, you know what, if we can do this, your name will never be forgotten in the province. So when we went to Uppington, mina bengikwazi ukuhlala namajita. Noma ngitshela emdala thina sikaholo noholile angithi uhole with bank chill. The only thing lesiyitelela is to bring lento abo most Ronald Lamula abo Basil basilethele yona. Just get a status, gents.
Yeah, let's just get
our
a status.
life will change. And bear with me, 1 or 2 players from this team will play PSL next season. And I mean, the players that I was expecting was this boy Usibusiso Zita. He's still at Crook. Nalomfano Malachi
right back. Yes.
Utawa bekangekho kahle uMathoki ukuthi he might go to PSL. Yabo? So mara overall yonke lento le iyayendeka according to the belief ukuthi the hunger that we have, gents, no matter ukuthi nihole late njani mara tomorrow you'll bring something back home. Yabo? That's why we're crowned champion at home. Okay, now we're happy driving from Uppington to Nelspruit. There was a vibe all the way, right? So in the pre-season time, people got calls. And then one of my cousins opposite my house. And then I had to attend because there was no way ngayamala police. Ngabacela ngabafona ngathi kuseba fethu mina sengibhayizisekile la. Kushona ngicela joiner the week after.
Yes.
Mangifika the villa court ngafika lapho. You know coach Vusi wathini kimi? Second, we're about to pray at we've got a new player here. He need to introduce himself to the team.
The captain of the team.
Captain of the team. No one didn't know what him in being in the team. Even the new players that were coming. Oh, ngayiba sanibonani ngimrocket okanye ngiyahleka in the meantime yabo. Mangithi we're supposed to take like two laps. Wangibite eceleni. Yazi yathini uVusi at report late. I didn't get any info about you. I don't think we can work together now. I'm not gonna work with you. Fonela ubheze nofonela ubongani. They said they wanna come back to me. They never came back to me.
Angalu lapho.
No. Le incident endeka lapho league we were playing Citylands. We're trailing 2-1. Instead of taking striker or a winger, putting a Baba Valela Parate center with 3 cent. Keeper strike, ufake strike. 2-1. Those boys, they were coming. They even get a goal. Due to vele ngoba thina borefu like cold drinks yakupha noma nini. Was offside. It was a clear goal. 1-1 and ilike behamba lapho. I went from, because I was in suspension, I went to from stand. Ngayela ithaneni ngathi you can't manager bela. Ungeke ninto lento le, yabo? Umanager wa team and it was not coach, umanager. Yabo, that's why ngithi ube right ukungibuthi. Umanager wathi kimi, "Hayi Nondu, you're suspended. Don't tell us anything." Umanager lo. Ngathi no guys, I'm part of the team but this thing leni yenda ke wrong. Yaphela game. Ngene dressing room just to say chance well done. 2-1 chayini. Manager utaki musendo manje why did you come to the tunnel? You know exactly you're suspended. Ufuna basithathela amabhola. No, I didn't come to the tunnel. Mina I went to the la entweni la fencing shouting about ukuthi ngihleli bench le.
Yes.
I'm like a support. Yeah, wrong. Hayi man, it's okay, idlulile, it's fine. Yendile ama mistake right. What if besidlala i-draw kwendakalana? Amachito atanyundo is it's fine. Dala sibonile nathi ma mistake yabona nabo sebayakhuluma ama gents. Chapter bafethu well done 3 points. Yabo? Coach Vusi udlula la eceleni wamakakhuluma lutho. So the reason ukuthi bathi mina ngikhiphe umugwa ngikhiphela coach I was surprised because mina bengakhuluma no Vusi actually. Mina the only person la was argue it was a manager uMakhabane.
Okay, loud and clear. Hey. Abo, Selvile ke. Akunamukwa lo wakhishwa. Nyundo didn't have a fight with coach. So naye uthi those are false accusations. So in closing mnganami sesivala. How's your relationship with Kruger? Would you love to see yourself going back there?
Just to cut it short, I would love to. Because the promise I made to myself and the people from Tula Mahashi as a whole, I said I want to see Kruger playing PSN. Then I say, if Ngandega Log, I will hang my boots. I will wish to
go back.
Uyendile mizamo. Angaseka yendi anything le ngathiwa ngikhole ngibafonelile because the only time ngafonela uBheze lathi I want you back in the team. So I was hoping because manje it's pre-season time which they're gonna get a call because you cannot just invite yourself when as a player you need to be called and send out the ball and come best seven.
Okay, we'll see. We need you on that team. Is the team loyale for whatever reason leyendeka lokho kufuna kundlule, and then ubuyele and help the team and score goals, because earlier on before the podcast you said usasekutheni retire, but ke sesivala mfowethu angisho wona boshaya amagoli. So this is the part whereby ufasa scheme sakho, your best 11. You can have your 4 defenders, your best 11. Loke wadlala nabo mkhulu. Sasicedzile ngepodcast.
And vele ngathi ngilandzela le coaching. Ngihamba khona ngihlala ngithola amabhodi.
Ngihlala kunjalo vele modlala ibhola. So bese coach.
Here's the thing. And mina coach yami, team yami vele yohlala ifit. Abantu umxolela abafana la ngoba coach.
Yeah.
Bafana the right back lo ngombeka la.
Yeah.
It will be Max Munyai.
Okay.
The one who play for TS Galaxy.
Max, sure.
Yeah.
Lo Madrid.
Yeah, where akana Madrid, une dreads. Gwanyalo lokho akuthola lapha. Lo muntu wale dress leli one leads nje.
Okay.
Shaolin.
Okay.
I understand. And then I center back there's this guy from Malawi, Herierenda.
Herierenda.
Ungamnyatsa lo muntu with the body liyanaye mara angeke win.
Umnandi.
La inhloko uvuthwe.
Yeah.
And then I will come the left center back, it will be Alfred Ndengane.
Alfred Ndengane.
Aggressive, who doesn't want to lose. Right? Then I'll come to my left back. I will go for Ubongani Sam.
Okay.
Remember Ubongani Sam?
Yeah, the recent one looked at the Chiefs. Yeah.
Energetic young man.
Okay.
I'll come in the middle.
Yes.
I'll go with Mapangula from Venda.
Mapangula.
Max. I mean Mapangula.
Yeah.
And then I will come to my side. There was this guy who went away Oldala Sundowns, Uneo.
Neo Maye.
Mangdala naye bekadlala as a 10.
Okay, Uneo.
Left wing.
Yes.
Then behind Unyundu. Bengibeka behind Unyundu bengibeka uMahlasela.
Oh, Mahlasela. Mahlasela, the short one from Royal AM. Yes.
Right? Then I will bring Uzuma.
Uzuma, lo Chiefs.
Odlala ku Chiefs.
Okay.
Right? Then as an anchor, I will put Ulanjani Palane.
Hey, you prepared, buff.
And then as a 10, I'll put Unchangas. That's the bomb, which means I've got 2 10s plus Ulanchanga.
Yes. So unozuma unoneo ngale.
Unoneo ngale side unonyundu up, unonchangaze behind, unomahlasela behind, unolanchane behind as an anchor.
Ouch. Ha.
That's the best team.
This is the starting 11 sa Nyundu. Some players are still playing, some are not playing, but we really appreciate. My brother, ngifuna ukubonga bhuti. Ngicabanga even ne producer yami, technical producer yami. This is the longest ever podcast we ever done. I'm not sure. I think it's going for 2 hours now. 1 hour plus. So I just wanna thank you, my brother, and I so wish the difference is learn now in the Kruger you solve it for the sake of the team. If mangabe nabo ba wrong, I so wish that you can sit like this. Sorry, Nyundu, now we feel wrong. Sorry, chairman. Let's just focus to the vision. Let's just make sure we take Kruger to another level. Because I do believe the strength that now, so you still Nanyalo we are Shama goal and everything. And I'm not saying ngoba standard is NFT but I do believe we are still active in football.
And the only thing for me to play a tournament like is to share my knowledge and experience to the ones that they wanna see themselves playing a professional level, right? And all the lucky to the piece for the new season that they will begin. Also Kruk and I wish to see them playing a PSL soon. And then to the upcoming youngsters and that's my wish.
Yes.
And I just want to see 2 or 3, 4 players to represent the country, just like what I did. Understand? Because there's too much talent but it's unnoticed. Yeah, because if you really a good scouting, ungahlanganisa i-team ye-PSL around our region, our province yethu Mpumalanga. There's too much quality. It's just that ama owners and ama scouts, they need to give time.
Yes.
They will get a lot of players labakhona la. If mina ngiphuma eGoromane enzaweni encane, abobani abo innocent batophuma eNansi enzaweni engaka, so bo uBhuwa baphuma enzaweni engaka, you never think of ukuthi banga produce a player lelithile abo Zitha. You can name them, you understand? So to the youngsters, the only thing that they need to do is to stay fit. Socializing of drinking, it's not a solution. They won't make it. Sometimes you need to make sure your life is different from others, because I can fool you with something everything I'm emotionally carry, but let's understand. So if they want to pursue their dreams, make sure you discipline often on the field. Make sure you give extras. Make sure whatever that you do is gonna be productive in your career, because this thing is very simple. And it just goes to isikhathi sesipheli. Yabona kule age enguyo nalesikhathi that I wish ukuthi ngase reverse. There's too much money in football. Too much money, but our youngsters, they don't notice that. Ngathi ngaba ne-motivation one day nje ngibe ne-class elikhulu ngithi gents, this is what is this for you to reach your professional level.
It will happen. Definitely. Sport Talk with GTZ episode 12. The General's View. Namuhla bezivakashelwe ngiRocket Nyundu ashare history yakhe, a rich history la kwendile ebholeni letinyawo, and we wish him all the best, and hopefully, it's my prayer, hopefully between one of the NFT teams in Mpumalanga, they can sign him. It's either Kruger or Nasi the Bees. He's a striker before too. He's free, he's active, he wants to play, he loves football. That's what he knows. I'm out. Danko. Mbonga mfowethu.
Salut Boti.
You are watching Sport Talk with GTZ, General Tata Zonke. Sport Talk, the General's View. GTZ, General Tata Zonke.